Hey, it's Bertaki, and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today we will be creating disappearing platforms. We will be creating two different versions. One is a single use. It does not come back, so it just destroys itself. Another one is going to be one that comes back. We set that off, and it comes back. Without further ado, I'll show you how to create both of these. First, we are going to open up our content drawer. I'm going to back out to, back out to content. And first, you can choose whatever file you want to put this in. However, I will create a new folder for myself and just call it environment. Go. And then I'll create another one in here, and it will just be platforms. I'm going to enter into there, and I will create a new blueprint class actor. This will be our BP underscore false platform. Go ahead and open it up. I'm going to add this tab right up at the top, and let's get right into creating the platform first. So I will first add a cube. This will be the platform itself that our character will be standing on. I'm going to change the scale. I'm going to unlock it so I can make it flatter, 5.5, and I'll do 0.3. Here we have our platform. Now we need to add a box collision to it. That way it can trigger when it'll sense our character and then trigger the command to make it go away. Now we'll change this scale to 5, not 5, 3. I will raise it on the z-axis a little bit. That way it won't pick up any triggers from below the platform, and it will be just from above. I make it thin. That way it adds some forgiveness to it to make the platform feel fair to the player. As when I play games, I feel like I should be able to put a foot or two on it and be able to jump all the way over to the other end of it without it going away. That's just how I like to have it. You can have it however you would like to. For the sake of this tutorial, I will keep it like this. Now we can get into the blueprints. I'm going to compile and save and go to the event graph. You can delete all three of these default nodes, and we will add a event actor begin overlap. After you add your event actor begin overlap, we will drag off of it and just destroy actor. File and save. If you'd like to add a sound, or when it disappears, you can drag off of here, place sound 2D, and select a sound. However, I don't have one imported at the moment, so I'm just going to skip it. Actually, let's see. Play sound 2D. Let's see if there are any default. Oops. I'll just click the camera shutter. That way we have some type of noise. Go back to my map and then add the platform in to make sure it works. Hit play. So there you go. That's a disappearing platform. Now that we have our single use platform, we're going to duplicate it and just add multi to the end. Not multi, return to it. That way I know the difference between these two platforms. You can open this one, go to the event graph, and make some space. We're going to need a little bit more space than here. I'm going to delete the destroy actor. this one, we will add a new variable. It will be our reset timer, and it will be a float. We will compile it. That way we can change the default value. I'm just going to make the default value 3 or 3 seconds. With the destroy actor deleted, we are going to add a new custom event. Custom event, add custom event. I'm going to name this event hide platform. Drag off of here and set hidden in-game default scene root. You want to make sure you have the default scene root selected. That way when it hides the platform, it will hide both of the cube and the collision. That way when it disappears, if you're playing a sound, it will keep playing that sound even though the platform's gone. I'll just line these up. Those are already lined up. We want to set new hidden to true and propagate to children to true. If you forget to check the propagate to children, it'll happen to where it'll make just the cube disappear, and then the box collision will still trigger the camera shutter sounds. Off of here, set actor, enable collision. Want to set this to false, so keep it how it is. And we can play our sound 2D, as this is the portion where the platform is hidden. Next, we will set timer by event. Time, we will drag over our reset timer that we created and link that. Make sure looping is unchecked. And we will create another custom event. This will be our event reset platform. And you can delegate from the event to the red box near the top. You can use a oh, my bad. I'm having issues with my mouse. You can use a delay instead of this timer. However, doing my research, it appears that the timer is better practice than using a delay. So for resetting the platform, we're just gonna duplicate these two, and we are gonna inverse it. So set hidden in game, uncheck new hidden, propagate to children is still checked. Enable collision, check the box there. Now we need to add these to the begin overlap so that actually runs. And there we go, hide platform, and then reset platform. I'll drag this into the world. Test it out. So here's the single use. There we go. Here's, I have an error. Let's find out what that was. Infinite loop. Let's take off the reset platform. Try this again. There we go. Platform disappears and it comes back. Disappears. It doesn't re-trigger the sound and it comes back. So there you have it. That is the tutorial on how to make the disappearing platforms. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed or found the video useful, and let me know what other tutorials to make, and yeah.